Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to move the toolbar from the right side of the screen to the left. So all of my left-handed friends out there, I'm sure you've gotten a bit tired of having to use your right hand to click on RTK Fixed or Standard Measure, all of that fun stuff. I'm going to show you how to move that to the left side to make it a bit easier to use. So what I've done is I've got this project open in FieldGenius, and I'm going to head down to the plumb bob in the bottom left corner and open up my settings menu and then my options menu. From my options menu, I'm going to want to have the user input menu opened up. So I'm going to click on this plus button. You can alternatively just click user input, and that's going to show my drop down with a couple of different options here, including the keypad text color, keypad background color, extended edit boxes, menu shortcuts, and then the instrument toolbar. And you can see right now it's set to the right side. So if I select the left side and hit OK here, and what I'm going to do now is restart FieldGenius. And as I relaunch FieldGenius here, I'm going to skip this message here, open up my last project, and if I go back to my map screen by clicking on Reconnect here, you can see that instead of being on the right side of my screen, the menu bar is now on the left, making it much easier if I am left-handed to click on all the functions that I need. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use FieldGenius to switch the toolbar from the right side to the left side of your map screen. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.